Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our new products behind me. This one, the 3-compartment sinks. Let me take the measurement for the overall sizes first. The unit's entire length is almost about like a 90 inches long. And the overall depth of the unit is about like a 24, like a 2 feet in deep. And the overall height is about like a 43 inches tall. And from the floor to the working station height is about like a 3 feet 36 inches tall. As we can see, the units are all made by stainless steels, and they have three compartments in the middle. So let's take closer to see the compartment sizes. For the 3 compartment sizes, the sink sizes will be 18 inches in the length and 18 inches in the depth, and the height is about like a 12 inches. And the units have 2 holes for you to mounting the faucets on top of it. And they also having the filters coming from the manufacturers. For each compartment, they have 1. Between the 2 holes, the diameters is about like 8 inches. And for the gym bar on the side, it's about like 16 inches wide. This will be all information about our products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.